Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing Nature's Sunshine Lymphatic Drainage. So if you don't know what this is, it is basically lymphatic nodes draining. So for example, you have a fatty face or a puffed face. Lymphatic draining can significantly reduce them. I don't know if that's true. However, we have it here on Amazon and see that they're rated 4.2 out of 5 stars with 5,000 ratings, which is pretty good. So let's read some reviews here to see what customers say. Great product. Lymphatic drainage, quality, 5 stars, really works, you should buy. Feeling good, love this product. 100% did not help. Do not mix in milk. Taste isn't so bad. And basically, even the few reviews that have been shown here are saying that it is a really good product. So if you want to drain your puffy face or puffy skin, or like your arms, lymphatic drainage can help with that. So it can reduce the appearance of your body being too flabby. And yeah, that is basically it. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.